Good morning, everybody. My name's Tim.
And I'm Mel.
And we're off on our holidays. We're leaving our little house behind and we're now flying off from Heathrow Airport. Well, this is us. We're off on our holidays, as you can see.
Hindi pagbabayad talaga, tita. That's what this electric car, because the thing is free for us, free for the stuff, the charging. You cannot appreciate the food.
Yeah.
So here we are. We've now checked through immigration, passport control and everything, and now all it is, it's the big wait. It's the big wait for our flight. We should be checking in about 9:10, and until then we can get a coffee, have a walk around and see what's going on in this place. Anyway, we will see you a little bit later. Bye, see you later. Well, we got here nice and early, so at least we don't have to rush. Everything checked out. But we're just looking for a coffee place now. Oh, Pret a Manger is open, so we'll go in. Time is it? 7:05. So we got about an hour and 40 minutes before we board.
Oh my, yeah. My sir.
Hold on.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Good morning, sir. How are you today?
We're fantastic. Thank you very much.
Where are you flying today?
We're going to Riyadh to start with, and then going from there to Manila.
Oh, holiday? Or
Oh yeah, 3 weeks. Yeah.
Manila going for the holidays.
Yep, we're going home.
We have a nice beaches, 360 beaches over there. You can enjoy. Kamusta? Mamuti. Mamuti. Cappuccino Black Americano.
Thank you very much.
What's the YouTube channel?
Our YouTube channel is Tim and Mel Travels 192. All right, thank you. Catch you guys later. Let's go over there in the corner, baby. Just having a quick coffee at Pret a Manger and waiting to find out what gate we're boarding at. So that won't take much longer, and then we'll be on our way. You're sat and everything behind you is like a fishbowl. Watch. All we've got between us and the outside world at the moment is glass. And now we're boarding. Wow. Now we've gone out front. All passengers this way for boarding. Ooh, it's a long way. Oh my God. morning.
32A.
We got a chance to move seats. So now I have a window seat. There you go. And Mel, she's got that type of seat. So we got asked if we wanted to move because there's so much room on the plane. And not a lot of people on this flight to Riyadh today. And the same in zone 3, 2 and 1. So I'm just going to enjoy the fact that we got given a lovely seat where we can look out of the window.
Enjoy your flight in Riyadh.
ضيفنا الأعزاء من استخدام الباب الخلفي لمغادرة الطائرة وشكرا to your listening may use the door to the plane aircraft.
So here we are. We're now in Riyadh Airport. It's really nice here. We'll go for a walk, see what's happening in the world, see what they got. So we're in Terminal 2. And it is now 8:35 in the evening. We've now got another 2.5 hours to wait until our flight, and then we'll be off to Manila. So as you can see, they got some really nice places, drink coffee, and they've got a really cool fountain as well, which I'll show you. That's really nice. That would really make you sparkle. Can you see that in the background? How nice is that? That is definitely going to make your day. So that is downstairs. That is where we come in. As soon as your flight lands, that's what you come past. How cool is that? And he's back in the room. Oh dear. Yeah, it's very clean and very tidy. Lots of amenities. Oh, drinking water. Just found drinking water. I was looking for that earlier. Just had a nice coffee, and it was 31 Saudi Riyal, which is about £6, £6.70 English money. Apart from that, it's a big place. Nice just to have a walk around before we sit on a plane for 10 hours. So we're now having a little bit of a walk down to Terminal 1, and you've got, just turn around, you've got Pret a Manger, you've got Get Your Fix Bakery, and apart from that, oh, something else down here, toilet area. loads of charging stations if you need it for your phone and everything. Oh my lord. And they got a big duty free, massive duty free. Oh, that's big. Certainly a big duty free around here. Everything you need, all in one corner. Oh, well, let's go through this way. Quick cut through. More restaurants behind me. All in all, right, I'll catch you a little bit later when we're boarding, and then it's only 10 hours. Well, welcome to the Philippines. We made it, we made it. One more flight, just one more flight.
Kasi napaaga din yung flight namin papunta dito.
Napaaga yung flight?
Oo, nag-change flight. Nakabook na kami ng domestic flight. Do it again.
Well, here's an unexpected twist to our little adventure going to Bicol in the Philippines. We had to have a change of plan because of our flight schedule was changed. So what you can see now is a bus full of people, and we are making our way now by road to Bicol. So the average time is between 10 and 12 hours the journey. So it's an overnighter. So we will see how this goes. It's my first time travelling all the way across the Philippines on a 10-hour journey in an air-conditioned bus. So this is going to be fun. And I think it's the first time in a long time that actually Mel's been on a bus.
Yeah, long time. Always plane, but now
Yeah.
changes. Take by bus, going to Bicol.
So let's see how we fare, eh? So the picture quality is not very good, I do admit, but then again they've got some sort of plastic stuff on the window, which is to stop the sun. But apart from that, it's all good. So we had to take a Grab taxi across Manila to this bus terminal. And then we grabbed the last two seats. This is why we sat at the back. And it was 1,250. 1,250. And we'll put somewhere up there how much that is in pounds sterling. Anyway, this is our view for the rest of the night. This is going to be fun. I'm looking forward to this.
See what the kind of bus is here.
Because it's the main bus. Ooh, there's the sun. Oh, well, there's a lot of that today. Hello everybody. Don't know whether you can hear me and I don't know whether you can see me. Right, next update. This in front, behind me, back there, that's our bus. And that's where I'm sat, right at the very back with Mel. So we had a glitch in the matrix when it comes to flights. Oh dear. And we decided to take a bus because it would get there quicker than us waiting to get an aeroplane. So that's what we did. So as you can see, I'll turn you around so everybody can get a look. That's our bus. And we are 3 hours and 45 minutes in. And hopefully we will be in Dariga about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So what they do is they stop after about 3-4 hours, and then they come down to a caranderia, and in the caranderia they feed everybody. So these are local caranderia and they're always good, and you get awesome food. You get all the local delights and barbecue stuff as well. When you're journeying through the Philippines, it's quick, it's easy, and it's a cheap way to eat. So each bus company, so this one is the RMB Bicol Express, they stop here. Other companies stop at other places. Anyway, I'll let you guys get on with the rest of your day. I'm gonna go and finish my coffee and have something to eat. And we'll see you when we get into Dariga. So without further delay, I'll just get my coffee underway. Well, we made it. 2 days of travel, and my brother-in-law is now coming to pick us up. So we're just getting all of our stuff on there. Look, there's Mel. She's already sat in there. She's already raring to go. Just getting everything strapped on, and then we'll be off. In time old tradition, I'll be sat on the back. That's going to be fun. Right, let's get rid of my stuff, and I'll catch you on the road. This is going to get loud. This is going to get loud. So now we're off home. Bit of a bumpy ride, but you never. Always a bit of a bumpy ride. That down there is looking into the centre of Darajah, which is our home camp.
Yan, may ginagawa din high school yun.
Hi, hello. And here we are, home at last. Oh, we're the dogs. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Hey, come on. Home, sweet home. Yeah. Come on in. Okay, come on. That's the news. Welcome home.
Welcome home. That's the pandak.
Hi.